The fraction button. I'm going to do three sums here. The first one is to show you how to enter the fraction 1/3. Then I'm going to show you 3/4 plus 2/3, and then I'm going to show you how you would do 2 1/4 plus 1/3. So to put in 1/3 in the calculator, you use the fraction button. This is located here, two buttons underneath the shift button on the top left hand side, box over box. So hit that button once, put 1 in on top. To get down below, press the down arrow button here from the replay button, and then type in 3. When you press equals, up comes 1/3. To get a decimal for that, press the S to D and you get 0.3. Notice that there's a little dot above the 3. If you press SD again, it will show you how that 3 continues on forever and ever, like that. Press it again and it brings you back to 1/3. The second one, 3/4 plus 2/3. First, press the AC button to start a new sum. Fraction button, 3 on top, down arrow key, 4. Now, importantly then, you must press the right arrow here to get back up to the level of the division line between the 3 and the 4, and then you can go ahead and add on the 2/3. Fraction button, 2 on top, down arrow, 3 underneath, and then press equals, and the answer is 17/12. Now, sometimes you might be asked to write your answer as a mixed fraction. The mixed fraction button is located above the SD button, so press Shift first, then the SD, and immediately up comes 1 5/12. To get back the top heavy fraction, press the SD button again a couple of times and you'll get 17/12. Once again, Shift on the SD will break it into a mixed fraction. Quick way to get it back to the full fraction, hold down Shift again, press the SD, and it brings you back. Third one is 2 1/4 plus 1/3. Press AC first. 2 1/4 is the mixed fraction button. It's located directly above the fraction button in yellow, so press Shift first, then the fraction button, and then that will allow you to type in 2 first of all. Press the over arrow button, in goes the 1, down arrow button, in goes the 1/4, then the right arrow button gets you up to the level, and then type in plus, fraction button, 1/3, down arrow, 3, and then press equals, and your answer is 31/12. To get a mixed fraction answer, Shift again on the SD button gives you 2 7/12. All the while, if you press S to D, you will get the decimal equivalent. Notice again, dot over the 3, which means if you press it once more, you can show that the dot means that the 3 continues forever and ever.